Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video where I will be doing ordinary hair serum review. This is going to be a completely honest review. I'm going to tell you two aspects of this hair serum, how it performs on my hair and how it performs on my husband's hair. So let's start with today's video. Okay, I totally love this brand, guys. When this brand was introduced by the founder, he had the ideology that skincare needs to be simple, it shouldn't be too expensive. The ordinary products back in the days were so affordable. Like, I could get the highest quality serums in just $3, $4. Niacinamide. This was one of the brand, who introduced niacinamide at $4. Their packaging was so simple. It's still that simple, and now their prices have a little increased. The CEO is no more. I was very devastated when I saw the news that, he's no more. Anyway, I don't want to go into that. But yeah, the entire range of ordinary products, and the main brand is the Abnormal company, the Deciem brand, right? And ordinary comes under that umbrella. And ordinary is the affordable range. They have the complex and little expensive range, which is Neod. I've also tried their products. Some of their products are really great. But in this video, I'm going to talk about the ordinary hair serum. It's been a while that this hair serum is out in the market. They launched it almost like 2-3 years ago. And when they first launched it, I bought the bottle right away. I'll be honest, I was not consistent with this one. I wanted to, but I have my own reasons why I was not consistent with this one. Let me tell you. So it got multi-peptide serum in it, and it has like caffeine and many plant extracts. It is alcohol-free, it's silicone-free, and it's water-based. It's a very lightweight formula. Like, when I apply it on my hair, it doesn't feel too greasy, but I'll be honest, it does feel little bit, greasy on my hair even after a wash. So they say that you're supposed to apply this on a clean scalp. But whereas when my husband applies it, he applies it right after he washes his hair, and his hair doesn't look greasy at all. It looks so fuller, just what they say. Like, it works so great on his hair. He has like curly, thick hair. Mine are fine and light volumed hair. So on my hair type, it does weigh my hair down, but on his hair type, it works like a magic. This hair is a concentrated serum for hair that looks thicker, denser, fuller, and healthier. So on his hair, I felt the difference right away. His hair looks so fuller, thicker, He's using this religiously, more religious than me, because I do avoid it sometimes, because even after washing the hair, I apply this on a cleaner scalp. My hair looks little, way down. So that's the biggest problem why I have not been consistent with this hair serum. But my husband has been using this every single day, and I have seen noticeable difference. If you be consistent with your routine, with your hair care routine, you will also see the difference. I also apply it like thrice a week, not every single day, but yeah, thrice a week. Or I'll just apply when I go to the bed, and then I'll wash my hair. You're not supposed to wash your hair. It's a leave-in serum, so you need to apply this right after you wash your hair, like on a cleaner scalp for sure. It's not like you're putting your oil and then you wash your hair after a couple of hours. It's not like that. It doesn't work like that. It's a leave-in serum. So that's what the major difference I have seen, that for me, it's really difficult to be consistent with this hair serum, but with my husband's hair, it's great. So I would advise you guys, if you want to make your hair, make it feel thick, if it's thinning, then this hair serum works really well. Now, disclaimer, this hair serum does not work on hair fall. It will definitely promote your hair growth. I have seen it on my husband, and even me, when I, be regular, I see the difference for sure. But to see a noticeable difference, I know I need to, keep on applying every single day. Then only I'll have more results for sure. So if you be consistent with this hair serum, you will also get the results. What else? Yeah, the best part of this one is like, it's really lightweight. My hair are like exceptions. I don't think so. Like, everybody will have this thin hair. Whenever I make bun, by the way, I will definitely apply this hair serum, because I know, okay, I'm just gonna tie my hair, so it doesn't matter if my hair looks a little oily or something. So that's when I particularly use this one. I will not use this one when I want to keep my hair, open and down. That's when I don't like to use this. So for hair like me, thin hair, it will be difficult for you to keep your hair open, because it is going to make your hair feel little oily, not too much. Mind you, this will be way better than any other hair oils. It is way more lighter than any other hair oil. So that's my honest review, guys. This is my fourth or fifth bottle, by the way. My husband finished the entire bottle, which I was not able to finish it in 1 year. He finished it in like month and a half or so. So I ordered 2 this time, and they had like sale going on. I bought it on 25% off. So I bought 2 bottles. Now you can tell how satisfied we are with this hair product, and we bought it on sale. They had a Slowember on Black Friday. They do not put like sale on just for one day. The entire website will go on sale for 25%, and it will be for entire month. So they had 25% off, I believe 23 or 25% off the entire month of November, and I bought that during that time. And I also got another hair oil for hair and skin. I'm excited to use this one. This is organic virgin chia seed oil. So now Ordinary comes up with all these highly concentrated hair oils, serums for skin and hair with such a reasonable price. Like nobody can beat their prices. Nobody can. So yeah, I got this new product. I'm excited to use this one and introduce to my hair. Another thing, they just sent a sample. Oh, leaked a little bit. This was a sample product. I'll tell you what it is. It is multi-peptide eye serum. I'm excited to use this one. They probably sent it with any order you placed during that time in November. They sent this peptide serum. Got leaked. The bottle was half open. Thank God I did not lose the entire product. I still have quite a bit. I'm excited to use this eye serum as well. I do not usually apply any eye serums because I had an episode in the past where I used this Niod serum, which was like really expensive, and I think it was like $78 for just like 15 ml bottle. This is also 15 ml, but yeah, it was from Niod, and I was religiously applying to my eye and my eyelid, and obviously I was too young that time. I didn't see any difference, but I saw a difference in my vision. I started seeing everything blurred, and I went to the doctor, eye specialist. I'm like, I don't know, I think I got problem with my vision because I'm not able to see sometimes. I feel like something is blurred, but not continuously, just sometimes. So, and he did all the tests, and he's like, no, you're fine, it's fine, you're having some kind of a thing that he told me. And then later I realized, I stopped using the eye serum. I realized that the eye serum was going in my eye, which was making my eyes blur. I got so scared, I stopped using any eye serum since then, and I just apply my normal face cream around my eye too. So I don't know, I'm still scared if I should use. I didn't pay for this one. This was just a sample that Ordinary sent me. Yeah, we'll see if I want to use this one or not. So that was it, guys. This is my honest review about the multi-peptide serum. I will link this in the video description, and I got it on sale on 25% off, but usually it is for $25 plus taxes. So yeah, you can also check it out. Ordinary has also come up with new serum, which I haven't tried, by the way, and I have also tried their hair shampoo. It is very mild shampoo, and it is for body and hair. So when I got that one, I was like, I am supposed to apply this body wash on my hair as well, or my hair shampoo. I can use it for the body. So I just used it once and then I stopped using it. I might go back again and try it. It's pretty nice formula. It's pretty nice shampoo. So you can check that out too. But yeah, this was my review, honest review about the Ordinary hair care serum. If you liked today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button, comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I make videos like product reviews, fashion, lifestyle, travel as well. If you love such contents, makeup as well. I love doing makeup. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to make more such videos. Thank you so much. Love you all. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.